Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Valdez. Welcome to our virtual open house. At the bottom of the screen, you will see any of my contact information if you need to contact me. We also have my assistant, Ms. Croft. On our agenda for tonight, we want to help you understand how the work your child will be doing throughout the school year, explain the expectations of your child, and share important information about how you can support your child's learning. For reading, our main goal is to help your child read and comprehend on grade level text by the end of the year. We use Saxon Phonics, MyView, and Heggerty for our three main resources. We also use West Virginia Phonics in small group. For math, we use a CPA approach. We use Concrete by using visual objects to solve math problems. We use Pictorial, which is drawings, to solve math problems. And we also have Abstract, solving math problems using only numbers, and for this we are using Eureka Math. Online learning, if your child is ever having to stay home for any reason, you can always log into Schoology. There you will find your parent notes, you can find a Clever portal, classwork, homework, you can communicate with me through there, and you'll also have live links. In Schoology, you'll see Clever. Clever holds the key to online learning. When you log in, you'll find Lexia, Moby Math, and Extra Math. For transportation, if your child's mode of transportation ever changes, please send us a written notification. Ways that you can help your child. Attendance is key. You need to encourage your child. Reinforce lessons at home by helping them with homework. Read 20 minutes nightly, and monitor computer program usage and units with Lexia. Our classroom rules are to stay in your seat, keep your hands and feet to yourself, no talking during lessons, follow hallway rules, follow cafeteria rules, follow all rules. Our expectations are to be on time, follow all the rules, and be respectful to everyone. Our assessments, we give 2 grades per subject weekly. For language, we do Saxon Phonics and spelling words. For reading, we take a Mastery Connect reading test, and we have a daily reading worksheet on the standard. For math, we do a Mastery Connect math test, and we have a daily worksheet on the standard. I just want to thank you for listening, and some important dates. Our report cards will go home October 18th, 2021, and we are about to start scheduling parent conferences. Thank you.